Repeat the question. Dahil sagutin mo nga yun. Up the ante daw. O ano in the history. Well, paano mahirap na tanong sa akin mo binigay? Groundbreaking siya eh. Diba? Anything groundbreaking creates a lot of opportunities. We're excited to note that a lot of brands are willing to partner with us because it's a collaboration of two very important media entities. So with that as well, we cannot really see the far future, but we know that a lot more possibilities that will contribute to the Philippine industry right now. Medyo, kasi ngayon, ang TV, challenge siya by online, challenge siya by the other platforms na hindi necessary na sa Pilipinas, diba? So, with the equity of Big Brother, at the same time, the collaboration of two entities na we're hoping that will spark a new interest in free TV, and at the same time, syempre, based on free TV, I'm sure sasanga-sanga na naman yan sa social media, but it will also signify that television is still here, free TV is still here. So we're very grateful to Channel 7 for allowing us to be in the platform on the 20th year of Big Brother. That's a great achievement, and even our format owner, Bunny J, is very, very happy with this collaboration.
For PBB Teen Edition Season 4, the one where Myrtle won, I think, yes? Oo. So ang nangyari nun, I've been such a fan of PBB. I grew up watching PBB to the point na kasi late night siya pinapalabas. Nagpapaalam ako sa parents ko na pwede po bang mag-extend ng bedtime so I can watch and finish the whole episode. So when they announced on TV, so literally I was a kid watching the television. In my room, I saw PBB audition na meron. Pwede kang pumila, kahit sino. Niyaya ko na kagad yung mommy ko. Sabi ko, Mommy, I wanna line up and I wanna join. So I lined up. That was in Mall of Asia. It was such a long line. 5,000, I remember 5,000 auditionees that day. I was number 3,900 something. So I lined up from 9 a.m. to 5 a.m. the next day. Yes! Ganun siya ka-intense. 9 a.m. to 5 a.m. the next day, and I had to go to school. Nakakaloka, pinapaglit na ako ng mommy ko. Pero kasi I really wanted talaga. I was so curious as a kid to see what's really going on inside the house. And luckily, I got in the first screening. On the second screening, it was here na, inside the Bahay of Kuya. Inside the Bahay of Kuya.
It's okay, you're making kwento.
You're making kwento.
It's okay.
Hindi na ako na-blessed na makapasok after that. And so today, it's such a full circle moment for me to be able to, audition how many years ago, and then right now, I'm standing in front of you as a host. It's such a full circle. Sitting pala daw, sabi ni Romeo. Pero I'm so humbled and I'm so grateful for this opportunity. I'm thankful for to the bosses of GMA, of ABS-CBN, for considering me to be part of this history. And I'm really excited to get to know all the housemates, to get to see the house. And abangan pa natin kung anong mangyayari sa akin sa takdang panahon. Hindi natin alam kung anong mangyayari. Si Kuya na ang bahala.
Wow. Yes. Mahirap man, try not to overthink. Kasi you really should just have fun because it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Yan, Robbie.
Sabihin ako ni Big Brother, Melay, gamitin mo utak mo. Wag ang puso. Brother, hindi ako nag-iisip. Salig lang.
Pero ginamit mo rin yung puso mo doon, ha?
Kaya,
sa loob.
siya ang nag-hogi.
Correct.
Hindi siguro, aside sa pagkatotoo, lagi din sinasabi namin itong mag-enjoy. Kasi syempre celebrity sila, di ba? I'm sure 24 hours yung trabaho. Alam mo yung halos everyday yung trabaho nila. Ikuan nila ito, i-reset nila yung utak nila na para silang nag-retreat, nag-bakasyon. Di ba? Para silang nagkaroon ng self-time, me-time sa sarili nila. And getting to know to self-time?
Me-time.
Okay, I'm now signing off. So, nagpagkaroon sila ng me-time kasi mindset lang yan eh. I-mindset mo lang sarili mo. Huwag mo i-mindset na para kang na-competition talagang wag na wag yan. Very no-no yan. Kasi dyan ka talaga yan ang ikakaibig mo. Basta mag-enjoy and i-treat mo yung sarili mo doon sa loob na para talagang, talaga. Election ko na, tayo na ba? Nakitindihan niyo naman ako.
Alexa.
Sige po.
Alexa.
I think halos pare-pareho din po kami ng maa-advise. Para naman po sa akin, siguro not to strategize too much. Yun po yung napansin ko kasi tuwing nakakanood ako at sa recent run and pati nung edition ko po, parang para sa mga taong nag-strategize, who try to calculate their moves, it just doesn't work as well as being your true self talaga, or just letting things flow. And pati yung pakikitungo kasi sa ibang tao, medyo nagiging, yun nga, parang medyo calculated or a little staged. And people know it. People can sense when it's genuine. And people, yeah, they can, like what Gabby said, they can see through you din eh. So, just don't strategize too hard. Para din, syempre po, ma-enjoy mo yung journey. Because it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to say that you went in as a housemate sa pinakasikat na bahay sa buong mundo, sa buong bansa. So, don't ruin your fun by strategizing too hard. Kasi at the end of the day, may mananalo naman talaga at matatalo. But winner ka pa din kasi na-experience mong maging housemate.
At minsan, it's up to the people din na nanonood.
Yes, no matter how hard you try to calculate things, nasa tao pa rin talaga kung ano yung perception nila sa'yo, kung tatanggapin ka nila or hindi. So, leave it up to fate na talaga.
Ibang mga celebrities or yung ibang mga housemates actually, isipin nila, paano kung hindi ako marunong magluto? Paano kung hindi ako marunong maglaba? Di ba? Dami mga household chores dyan. Maglinis ka, maghugas ka ng pinggan. Kasi lalong-lalo na for this edition ng PBB, everyone's a celebrity, yes, pero you are a celebrity and also your housemate together with other people. So makisama ka at magbigay ka ng sarili mo ambag.
Actually, ngayon ko lang aaminin sa inyo. It was all a show.
Pagkatapos niya magkaanak.
Sorry, hindi pa show. So, yung late, yung mga late.
Oo, siyempre yung pumapag-ibig sa loob ng bahay.
Actually, yung mga pag-ibig talaga, hindi mo na mapipigilan yan. Kung ang puso mo na talaga nagsalita doon.
Yes.
Kasi kahit, di ba, tayo naman talaga magsasabi talaga na yan, tayo Ate B, di ba, tayo talaga magkakaroon yan. Kasi, pag kunwari, kayo lang sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, talagang, hindi mo mapipigilan ang puso mo na ma-inlove talaga. Kasi, four corners. hindi mo, kasi siyempre kayo lang nasa loob, kahit kayo siguro, ipasok kayo, talagang alam mo yung, makikita niyo yung good side ng tao, na kahit sa iba parang bad side, pero parang parang good dito. Diba? So, si Lord lang din nakakaalam yan.
Eh, si Ate...
Napakahirap pigilan talaga. Sobrang. Imagine, kung may type ka sa loob ng bahay, tapos mula pagkagising sa umaga, tapos bago ka matulog sa gabi, nakikita mo, tapos bibigyan ka pa ng mga tasks na parang mapapalapit ang loob nyo sa isa't isa. Si Alexa may mga experience din dito.
Yes, susunod na siya.
It's hard. It's hard. Lalo na kung nagpapakatotoo ka lang. I mean, it's something na masasabi ko now, looking back, 19 years ago, dami ko natutunan and it only made me stronger. So, hindi kasalanan ma-in love, except you have to pay the consequences kung meron man. Yun lang. Alam niyo yung nakakatulong din, yung paglukso ng mga housemates. Minsan yun ang so mapaisip ka, oh ano, parang ganyan.
Gusto ko ba talaga siya?
Yeah. Pero ito lang ang masasabi ko, mapipigilan mo pa yung utot, pero yung pag-inlove mo, hindi mo mapipigilan sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
Totoo!
24 hours ka makikita, tapos makikita ni Big Brother na gumagano ka pag nakatikas ka isang house, may gano'n ka.
Correct.
Ay!
Tatalungin ka.
Kinabukasan, may task na kayong dalawa.
Uy, ilabas mo na yan. Huwag mong pigilan.
Alexa,
Yes po.
na naging kalapti mo pa ngayon.
Yes, pero I think yung naiba po sa amin kasi ni KB, hindi siya plinano sa loob. I mean, it's not something we saw coming din as two individuals. Wala kaming gusto sa isa't isa nun sa loob ng bahay. As in, ate nga ate pa nga true. Ate mo noon, ano ngayon?
Nung in-evicted ko si Alexa ate, tapos paglabas parang more than ate na.
I guess we had time to actually process things, realize things, look back at things, and then that's where you realize na, oh, okay. So I think it's my kwento is a bit different from theirs kasi mas sa outside world na po kami. But thanks to the house, I met him. So
From ate to aking.
Ayan, si Robin lang yata ang, meron ba na-link sa'yo?
Si Yosef. Si Yosef Elizalde. Yun ang nanig sa akin. Kami yung BFF.
Kasi kontra na kayo, di ba?
Pero,
Ateneo, Alinasal.
Oo, Ateneo, during my edition. Pero yung totoo nun kasi, darating yung moment na pati yung mga paniginip mo, mga housemates mo na rin. Ganun siya. Everyone can attest to that, di ba? Kasi sila rin nakikita mo eh. So yun ang mundo mo sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
Proximity, parang you get attached to people because of the proximity.
Thank you.